Ek soek nie daai tee nie, ek soek wyn. Moenie vir my graswater gee nie. Guys, please have a seat. I'm sure we're going to resolve this between each other like adults. Dankie Dax, Max moer kwaad. Jy gaan sit maar, Jo. Daai vrou, daai dokter Shabango moet net sy hande op my sit. I was going to put this one up her buttocks just to check her temperature. This is a thermometer. You can try and say that word. I don't think that you will be able. Gonna put that thing up my ass. I'm gonna show her. She gonna hide somewhere for 18 years and come back like a cave woman. We want to take the thermometer. Yes, yes. And upset up her buttocks. No, this one is crazy. She thinks she want to upset that thing up my alley. Nee, man. Please relax, calm down. I'm sure everything is gonna be okay. There's no need to freak out. Right? It is written in the government regulation here. Okay, as jy Dr. Shabs, Dr. Shabangu, Dr. Vivi, near. Akisha, I'm sure Dr. Shabangu just has your best interest at mind. I don't think it's that intense. No, it is people like you that is running around, not being obedient to the regulations of the government. You are doing what you want. When you want, in fact. No, I don't live by regulations. Don't come regulations to me. My name is not regulations. Dr. Shabangu, what other regulations are required? What else is in your regulation that we need to check up on? The regulations state that we are going through a procedure. Number one, it's the thermometer. Number two, we are taking 5 liters of your blood, some of it to donate to the other people, and the other one we want to check if you're having other diseases. Even the way that you are behaving, you are having another disease. So nee, hell, die doctor. Nee, sag voet man, ek sit my voet. Nee, jy sit nie jou hande op my nie. The other procedures are following, it is operation. Can you just tell me what number is that it says we must operate? It sounds a little bit weird to me, considering this is just a virus. Don't come here with your stories about you want to operate for what operation? Yes, no. There's no operation. The only operation that's gonna happen here is the operation of you keeping quiet. No, I have been operating since from last week. I am newly appointed as the head of the doctor of this department. Kom maar, moer die kwaad raak. Jy weet nie eens wie is ek nie. Dan kom jy weer op my opereer. No, I'm very good at operating. I operated already on the snake, on the frog. Yes, I did a very good job. To this day, the animals are in the bush still living, yes. What? O nee, ek's klaar.